Today we are going to learn how to make cheesy rotini pasta from the Pugliadi's kitchen. You're definitely going to like this quick and easy pasta recipe. Hi all, welcome to Pugliadi's kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make pasta, so let's learn how to make it. To make this pasta, we need 1 box of rotini pasta, shredded mozzarella cheese, olive oil, garlic and milk. We need some butter and salt. And I'm going to add mushrooms to this recipe. You can wash the mushrooms and keep it ready. Finally, I'm going to add broccoli and cherry tomatoes to this. To cook the pasta, you can add 4 to 5 cups of water in a big pan and switch on the stove. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Adding salt flavors the pasta. Add like 2 tablespoons of butter to this. When the water comes to a boil, you can add the box full of rotini pasta, which is like just more than 4 cups. Stir and mix the pasta nicely to the water now. This pasta recipe is good for 4 people. You can cook the pasta according to the instructions given in the box, but I usually follow this method. And in this method, I usually do not drain the water. When the water comes to a boil, you can reduce the flame now. You can close it with the lid slightly open so the water doesn't overflow and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, I am going to make the sauce. For this, we need 7 to 10 cloves of garlic and we are going to mince the garlic nicely. To make the sauce, you can switch on the stove and in a big pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. This cheesy garlicky sauce is very tasty and I'm sure you're going to love this sauce. When the oil is hot, you can add the minced garlic to this. You can cook the garlic until it turns golden brown and gives a good aroma. Once the garlic turns golden brown, you can add 2 cups of mushrooms to this. Stir it gently and cook the mushrooms for 5 minutes. You can add broccoli or sun-dried tomatoes at this stage, but today I am only adding mushrooms. Once the mushrooms is cooked, you can add 1 cup of milk to this. Stir it well and when the milk comes to a boil, you can add the mozzarella cheese to this. I am adding 1 full packet of cheese. Stir it all well together and the consistency should be creamy cheesy sauce when it's done. See how nicely the cheese is melted? Now this is the right consistency. At this stage, sometimes I add some black pepper to this. You can now add the cooked pasta to this. Mix the pasta with the cheesy sauce so it all blends nicely with the pasta. Once the pasta is mixed, you can switch off the stove and your pasta is ready. This delicious, flavorful pasta is kid friendly and it's a must try recipe. Now I am going to add some broccoli to this pasta, so we are going to cook broccoli now. You can learn how to steam broccoli in another video which I have posted already. I will put the link in the description box. Wash the broccoli with hot water and cut it now. Add the cut broccoli to a microwave safe bowl. Sprinkle it with some water. Close it with the lid and cook in the microwave for 7 minutes. Once it's done, you can remove it. Your steaming hot broccoli is ready now. I have washed some cherry tomatoes and kept here. You can add some cooked broccoli and cherry tomatoes to your pasta, and your world famous cheesy rotini pasta is ready from the Pugliadi's kitchen. This is one of my favorite pasta recipes. You can also make it and enjoy with your family. Thank you.